Hi guys, Ceyear has two structure forms to achieve Coaxial 110GHz vector network analyzer. This setup combines a regular microwave VNA, an extender controller, and 4 Coaxial extender modules. This 1.0mm Coaxial calibration kit is used to characterize the systematic errors. We press Cal and Cal Guide, then choose the right model and DOT connector, and make proper configurations for 4-port calibration. Press Next. We connect Short 2 to port 1 and press the corresponding button. Then one by one to make the rest calibrations. After that, we connect port 1 and port 3 together using an adapter to make a through calibration. Then port 1 to port 2 and port 1 to port 4. Finally, we finish the calibration process. This 1.0mm coaxial cable is 20 cm long and is connected between port 1 and port 4. We create new traces of S11, S22, S44, and S14. We can check the return loss and insertion loss versus frequency up to 110 GHz. This is a waveguide horn antenna. The working frequency is 50 GHz to 75 GHz. A 1.0mm coaxial to waveguide WR15 adapter is used here. The antenna is connected to port 1. We delete the S44 and S14. We enable Mark 3 and set the frequency to 80 GHz. Set Mark 2 to 50 GHz. You can see the return loss on the screen. That's all for today's test. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel and check other test solutions. Bye.